Hello and welcome to our middle school unit plan. Our theme for our plan is all about phonology. I'm Mr. Kent Janikul and I'm the social studies teacher for our unit plan. I'll introduce the others here. Joining me over here, I'll let him introduce himself.
Jay Olson with the Innovative Lab.
Christy Plowder, math. Julie Ludwig, language arts.
Sean Sutherland, physical education.
Sarah Sizik, science.
Next, we're going to have Julie and Sarah kind of give an overview or summary of our project.
So the driving question for our group was, how does phonology relate to weather and its connection to natural disasters?
So as a whole, our goal was to create an interdisciplinary unit that involves the study of weather. We took bits and pieces from all of our subject areas and created a 6-lesson unit. A lot of this will happen in the Innovation Lab, where the students will actually construct a weather station and record the temperatures here at St. Joe's. And then after they master that skill, then we will share our data with the Globe website.
And locally, the kids here will determine how and when to go outside and use the schoolyard.
Next, we'll have Mr. Olson, Mrs. Plowder step in and instruct you on the standards covered in it.
Our project's going to be touching on multiple standards and multiple subjects here.
We have even grade level 6, 7, and 8 as some of our standards since they cross the grades, including Phys Ed and all the core subjects as well.
And in addition to that, also art.
Next, we'll have Mr. Sutherland step in, and he's going to talk about kind of the resources that we'll need to accomplish this unit, as well as the audience that we'll be targeting.
The resources that we'll have for this unit are all provided through our Innovation Lab, and we'll use those resources to build our weather stations to do this unit. The audience, benefactors of our unit and our project will be the students of St. Joe's and the faculty, and the whole St. Joe's community in helping us make decisions about activities to do outside and so forth, with our project.
Next, we're going to give a brief kind of overview of all of our lessons. Like we mentioned earlier, there's 6 lessons a part of it. I'll talk about social studies. The first thing we're going to talk about in my social studies lesson, and we're going to determine the difference between weather and climate. So students will take part in kind of a brainstorming session. We'll have some class discussion. And our goal by the end of it is to understand the difference between the two, as well as start to talk about the different climate zones of the world.
Physical education piece, we're going to do a game activity called Lava, where the students are going to have to use cooperative play, movement concepts. They'll be given equipment, gymnastics mats, scooters, rope, and a couple other implements where they will need to move across the gymnasium, traverse their way across without touching the actual gym floor, which will be described as lava.
And math will be working with conversions from Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa in order for us to communicate better with the rest of the world.
In science, the students will be figuring out if volcanic activity changes weather and climate, or if volcano eruptions are caused by changes in the climate.
In language arts, we'll be using informational text to read about some natural disasters that have occurred, and to write an argumentative essay to agree or disagree with the fact that it's either a disaster or in fact helpful to the environment.
In the Innovative Lab, we'll pull together a design, learning about safety and construction of a weather booth and or weather station. The weather station will allow us to take temperatures, humidity, and pressure readings every day.
And to conclude this unit, after we did this, it was a great experience as we embark on our journey together.